In politics, what is most critical is the national climate and the challenges of my state. If you put everything together, the essence of my being in politics is to bring value to my people and bring value to the country and to humanity. And I think my interest is best celebrated at the new platform that I have moved into, which is the APC. They should expect a dramatic improvement from whatever progress I've achieved so far, and I expect that with the support from federal government, I'm even sure that I'm going to do much more. My 2 years will almost be equivalent to the 6 years. All those industries that I have built, this time I'm going to breathe life into those industries and bring them into full harvest. And I think that is a wise decision. It's not driven by my personal interest. It's not driven by any selfish calculation. It's only wise that this nation does not deserve the kind of tension that is building into 2023. Anything I can do, including personal sacrifices, to make sure that Nigeria remains an indivisible country where the young people have opportunity to prosper to their own God's dream and expectation of them, I think I will do everything to get that achieved. For a long distance look into the decision I've taken today, at the fullness of time, people will understand why this decision was taken. If we don't do what we're doing now and allow the tension and almost the full-blown war confront Nigeria, the world may not be able to contain it. So I ask every person at this point in time, it is always better to sit on the table. Why use a gun? Why use a bullet when a handshake can resolve an issue? So I think I've taken the option of using a handshake, and that's why I've decided to have a handshake with the national, just to be in tune and to make sure that as a leading light, we show an example that truly, it is not a vehicle of party. It is actually the concept and the philosophy that underpins our movement.